Fred Adams here from Stencil-Tech. Thought I'd just give you a quick walk around on our project we've recently installed in Coventry. We've got our granite texture stencil in cobblestone. You have a nice close-up look at that. Look at the beautiful texture we've got on there. Super non-slip. There's nothing more non-slip in this product, so it's ideal for drives and patios. Will take 28 tons in weight. You'll never get weeds, never get sinking. What a product. We've actually laid the concrete here on Wednesday. We put the stencils in on that day as well. Because the concrete was taking so long to set, we actually came back the following morning and we spray applied the texture at that point. Pulled the stencils out, which gave us a real beautiful, crisp, lovely polished joint. Super strong. What a product. Unfortunately, for all you block pavers out there, this is the way forward. This is the way of the future for drives and patios. We don't want to put you out of business, so come and jump on board with us. Come and look into our franchise opportunities that we've got. I think you'll love it. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Please remember to like the page, subscribe to us on YouTube. We're going to be showing you some more in-depth videos on how this is installed. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember to like and share our videos. Thank you very much.